What is going on, guys? Led by the way, back at it with another fucking video. I know I haven't posted in a minute, and y'all might be wondering why all of a sudden I decided to post. Just because I decided to post. Don't judge me. But anyways, without further ado, let's get right into this fucking video, because I know back then I'd waste time with blabbering, and a lot of people didn't like that. So we're gonna do new videos. I'm sorry that I'm blabbering now, but I'm gonna explain real quick. We're gonna do these videos new. We're gonna, you know, get straight into the video. No blabbing, no nothing. We're just gonna get straight into the fucking video. You get what I'm saying? But anyways, today you guys are about to see what the fuck I have. I know you guys haven't seen it yet, but today I got my Scion wide body FR S. You feel me? Look at this shit, bro. This shit is fucking clean, bro. It's got the wide body, the 3-piece rims. You know what I'm saying? Don't mind the fucking front bumper. It's fucked up. I know. Like this side is fucked up, bro, as you guys can see. But other than that, dude, this car is fucking insane. Drives nice. Feels nice. You get what I'm saying? You feel me? So anyways, what happened was I didn't film with my FRS or anything for a minute, was because it was broken, so I couldn't do anything. It was in the shop getting fixed or whatever. But now we have the wide body back. We're gonna do videos on this car, you get what I'm saying? And the best part about this car that I think is it's a manual transmission, which is fucking badass in my opinion. I think manual transmissions is like where it's at for cars, you know, for me at least. I started driving manual. As soon as I started driving manual, dude, I was hooked onto manuals. I fucking love manual transmissions. They're, I think, top tier. I think I preferably would take a manual transmission over an automatic transmission, you get what I'm saying? But yeah, anyways, here is the wide body Scion FRS. I did wrap my hood green. You get what I'm saying? I don't know if I should take this off or keep the green on. I like the way it looks with the car. It gives it a little bit of a contrast. I don't know. A lot of people say they don't like it. I like it personally, but I don't know. Everyone has their opinions about it. At the end of the day, my car, I do whatever I want with my car. You know what I'm saying? We did something kind of ghetto, I'm not gonna lie. Well, I don't want to say ghetto, but like, you see this light, right? It works, but this one does not work. Like, if I went into my car, right, turn on the light, it's supposed to turn on like this, but this one doesn't do that. As you guys can see, the white part doesn't do that. So we put LED strip, and it works as the brake light. So it's like the brake light, but instead it's an LED strip, not the actual brake light. You get what I'm saying? I don't know if I should lower it more or keep it at that height, because I have coilovers, so I can lower it more, but I'm not too sure, honestly. I'm thinking about lowering it more, but the thing is, I don't know if it's gonna scrape with this, you know, side fender, because look, right here is like 3 fingers, right? It's like 3.5. Over here on this side, it is 3 fingers. So the other side needs to be lowered a little bit more, and then, you know, we'll have it evenly. But other than that, the car looks lower on one side than it does on the other. I'm not sure if it's because the bumper is like broken on that side or not, but either way, it's lower on one side than it is on the other. Leave your comments down below if you guys think I should lower it a little bit more than it already is, or keep it at this height just because it's already low enough and I struggle getting out of fucking parking lots and stuff. But that's fine. As long as I take it slow, I won't scrape, even though this front bumper is like fucked up, this front lip. As you can see, it's cracked. It's all scratched up, all messed up. I want to do more to my car too. I want to definitely get a carbon fiber steering wheel. One that lights up when you have to shift, and a new spoiler. This duckbill one is pretty cool, but I want to get another one apart from that, so I'm gonna keep that one on and then get like a standing spoiler. Like, I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. It's the ones you bolt into the trunk that stand. Let's take this car around. Let me get out onto the street, and then I'll pick up the camera when I'm on the street, just because I need to get out of this parking lot, and I struggle to get out of this parking lot. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm on the street. Okay, we finally sort of have it on the street. You know what I'm saying? Alright, hold on. Let's wait for these people to cross. It feels nice to drive, obviously. Gotta switch gears. But like I said, car feels nice to drive. The only thing that sucks, like I said, is well, I didn't say this, but I feel like the only thing that sucks is that when I need to switch gear, I can't do it fast enough when I'm like driving and stuff, because I'm in the middle of filming. So it makes it hard to switch gear and film at the same time. But like I said, I'm trying. You get what I'm saying? In my opinion, dude, the handling on this fucking car is amazing. I don't think I've ever driven a car that's handled better than this car. But yeah, dude, this car sounds nice. Oh, Corvette. Oh, that's just sick. But anyways, like I was saying, oh, another one. Anyways, like I was saying before I was interrupted, this car handles great, sounds nice. Maybe not fast, it doesn't got the speed, but it's got the looks, the handling, and it's got the noise, you feel me? Which I think are all the plus to this car. I don't really care to go fast. I'm gonna be real, these cars aren't fast, and apart from that, they're not all that reliable when it comes to going fast. So I would preferably go slow, take it easy, and have a healthy engine than go fast and break my engine. You get what I'm saying? No check engine, no nothing. It originally had like 77,000 miles, something like that. It didn't have too many miles on it. Well, 77,000 miles is a lot, but now it's like practically a brand new engine. So it's got about 300, 400 miles on it right now. It's about to hit 500, which means I need to start doing the oil change soon and all that good stuff. Do the oil change. Right now, my coolant is running off water, not coolant, because it's brand new, so you don't want to put coolant in there right away. So I'm letting it, you know, driving it slow, taking it easy with the car, and just letting everything get accustomed to itself, letting everything settle in for the car and stuff. But yeah, dude, other than that, like I said, this car handles nice, ships amazing, sounds pretty, like I said, sounds nice. And yeah, the only thing I am afraid of is getting stopped by cops and stuff. But it's not too much of a worry, just because I don't take it fast. I'm not an asshole with the car. I'm not being loud on purpose. Like, it's just the car. It makes noise, and